Alright, so today I want you to use this app, Pixlr O Matic. I'm going to give you some pictures that I want you to experiment with this app of some toys. And maybe it will give you some direction when you are taking your pictures, knowing some of the things that you can do with them. So what you're going to do first is you're going to open your picture. These are some toy pictures that I took last night. And say open. And you can see the interface here that down here it's got effects, cropping, and then this is a random button. But before you hit random, I want you to go through the effects. So the first effect is a color effect, and you can just scroll through and click on each one until you find one that you like. I think there was one called Josh that I liked. Let's see, Greg, Harry, ooh, Hagrid. Ooh, I kind of like that. But I think Josh is over here somewhere. Here he is. All right, so Josh, one of the things I like about this is like the little picture is in the developing tree as if you're in the dark room. It's kind of a cute little effect. And then once you have found the color scheme that you like, you can't really edit it. You're kind of stuck with what they want. Down here, if you click in these different colors here, they've got 3 things that you can work with. So the next one is an overlay, and they've got all these different overlays that you can add to your piece of art to give it a different kind of look. And I kind of want you to experiment with those, try some things that you like. If you find one that you like, you might want to in the top put a little star on it, and I'll save it as one of your favorites. And there, let's see, it's a bit heavy, scratches. All right, and then click on the last color, and you can put a frame around your artwork. So because I've got the scratches, I'm going to put the scratched frame around it. And then I'm going to click save to computer. And I'm going to call this toy 1%. Make sure you put your name on it. That makes it easier for me to know when I'm looking at all of them in a folder who it belongs to. And just click this little arrow here and it's saving. And then it'll save it back into the folder that I got it out of. All right, I can also go back, and this is kind of a cool feature down here. If I click on this, it just randomly adjusts the image here. So if I want to see some different things that it does, I can do that. And I believe you can look at each filter and each color that it's picking randomly while it's doing that, which is kind of cool. But you can just click through and see different possibilities. So that's kind of cool. And then the last thing I want you to know is, I forgot where it is. Yeah, click on that button, and then you can add like different effects to it as well. There's a couple of you I know have already looked through this, but you want to add different effects to your palette. You can add overlays. There's different bokeh, canvas, chemical burn. There's some down here that I think I like the retro poster. Say okay. So now when I go back to the overlays, they'll probably be at the end. Let's see. You can get to the end too. You can add them. So if you have to, maybe you have to select the ones you want to add, and then say okay. So then let's see if they're at the end of the the selection. I think in second block, Dylan's worked with this one. He's come up with some cool stuff. Yep, here they are. Okay, so make sure you click on them to add. You can either click add here or add up here. And there's new frames as well. There's lots of different things you can add to give it a different kind of look. So once you've finished your principles and your elements, I want you to make a gallery and edit these toys and experiment with this app as much as possible. See if you can find something that I don't already know. All right, I look forward to it.